Morning, everyone. We're here to present the history of computer. Together with my group mates, I am Clarice Manaig.
I'm Razel Salazar.
I'm Maria Teresa Jessica Aylantican.
I'm Mary Jane Del Mundo.
I'm Buisan Daniela.
So let's start in a prehistoric history or era in computer.
Abacus, an early aid for mathematical computations. Antikythera mechanism is a device used for registering and predicting the motion of the stars and planets, and is dated to 1st century BC. Next. Napier's bones, 1617 John Napier. Used in algorithms, a technology that allows multiplications to be performed via addition. A key guards calculating clock, 1623 Wilhelm Schickard. First ever gear-driven calculating machine. Next. Slide ruler, 1630 William Oughtred. A device made of wood with movable scale arranged to slide opposite direction. The next one is mechanical calculator. The first ever mechanical calculator, around 1500, credited by Leonardo da Vinci. Next.
So now let's move on to the zeroth generation, also known as mechanical computers, dated 1642 to 1945. Pascaline, by Blaise Pascal. Gear-driven one-function calculator and powered by a hand-operated crank. Ang ginagawa niya lang po is addition lang. Next is Leibniz machine by Baron Gottfried Wilhelm von, dated 1646 to 1716. It is consisted of step cylinder that could perform the four fundamental operation and square root. Digesting duct by Jacques de Vaucanson, 1727. Gifted French artist and inventor, also known as son of a glove maker, aspired to be a clockmaker. 1727 to 1743, it has created a series of mechanical automations that stimulated life. Next is power loom by Joseph Marie Jacquard, 1801, also known as Jacquard loom. It is consist of weave of fabrics and wooden punch cards. Charles Babbage, 1791 to 1871. Siya po ay isang English mathematician, engineer, philosopher, and inventor. Ito po yung kanyang nagawa. Difference engine, 1822. Numerical tables were constructed by hand using large numbers of human computers. The one who computes. Analytical engine, 1837. Charles Babbage first described a general-purpose analytical engine in 1837 but worked on the design until his death in 1871. Pero it was never been built. Boolean algebra. George Boole invents Boolean algebra in the late 1840s. Boolean algebra was destined to remain largely unknown and unused for the better part of a century, until a young student called Claude E. Shannon recognized its relevance to electronics design. Augusta Ada Byron, Countess of Lovelace, 1843.
She is the daughter of the famed British poet Lord Byron. Created a program for the theoretical Babbage analytical engine, which would have calculated Bernoulli numbers. Tabulating Machine by Hermann Hollerith, dated 1887. It is used for 1890's US Census in 6 weeks compared with 7.5 years for the 1880 census, which was manually counted. Adding Machine by William Seward Burroughs, dated 1892. He is an American inventor designed a key-driven machine that produced a hard copy. This was also called as adding calculating machine. J1 Computer, 1936. Konrad Zuse, a German engineering student, built a series of automatic calculating machine using electromagnetic relays. ABC Computer, 1942. It is designed by Atanasoff and Clifford Berry. Alan Turing, 1943. He is a British mathematician and cryptographer. He is a father of theoretical computer science. His contributions include Turing machine, Turing test for AI, first detailed design of a stored program computer, but never been built. Harvard Mark I computer, 1944, by Howard Aiken and Grace Hopper. The IBM Automatic Sequence Control Calculator, or ASCC, computer was created by IBM for Harvard University, which called it the Mark I, First Universal Calculator. Mark I, 1944, Harvard and IBM. First programmable digital computer made in the US by Howard Aiken. Parang parehas lang po siya nung kaganina. The Colossus Mark I and II, 1943 or 1944. The Colossus Mark and II are widely acknowledged as the first programmable electric computers and were used at Bletchley Park to decode German codes encrypted by the Lorentz SC40 or 42.
So let's proceed to the first generation, were invented the vacuum tubes from 1945 to 1955. So let's talk about first the ENIAC. This ENIAC was built during World War II to calculate artillery firing tables for the U.S. Army. It was designed to be significantly faster than electromechanical computers of the time. And it was also the first computer to have all the features of a modern computer, including programmability, electronic operation, and general purpose use. Next po. The transistor, 1947. The transistor is developed by Bell Telephone Laboratories in 1947. Transistor. The first transistorized computer was built at MIT's Lincoln Laboratory at 16-bit machine along the lines of Whirlwind 1. Next po. And 1947, the transistor, invented by William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain at Bell Labs, for which they were awarded the 1957 Nobel Prize in Physics. Next po. Um, 1948, the Manchester Baby Computer and Williams Tube, and invented by Frederick Williams and Tom Kilboom. Next. In EDSAC 1949, it was one of the first computer used to store program architecture. It was built by Morris Wilkes and his team at the University of Cambridge Mathematical Laboratory in England. And it became operational on May 6, 1949. So next is JONIAC. It was an early computer built by the RAND Corporation in the 1950s. It was named in honor of John von Neumann, who was a pioneer in the field of computer science and a key figure in the development of the stored program architecture. And it is used also for scientific and engineering calculations, including work on artificial intelligence. So, ILIAC, it is the Illinois Automatic Computer at the Weizmann Institute in Israel. Next, UNIVAC. It is the Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first general-purpose electronic digital computer designed for business applications produced in the United States. And it was designed by J. Presper Eckert and John Munch Lee, the investors of the ENIAC also. And it was delivered to U.S. Census Bureau on March 31, 1951 and it was dedicated on June 14, 1951. UNIVAC Mercury Delay Unit. It is units containing 18 delay lines, each of which stored 120 bits, total of 2,160 bits or 144 15-bit word per memory unit. UNIVAC, 25 feet by 50 feet in size, 5,600 tubes, 18,000 crystal diodes, 300 relays, internal storage capacity of 1,008, 15-bit words was achieved using 126 mercury delay lines. UNIVAC 1951. It is the tube board and individual vacuum tube, as you can see in the picture. Next. EDVAC. It is the Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was one of the earliest electronic computers. It was built by the Moore School of Electrical Engineering at the University of Pennsylvania and was a successor to ENIAC. Unlike the ENIAC, the EDVAC was binary rather than decimal and was designed as a stored program computer. It was designed for the U.S. Army's Ballistics Research Laboratory to calculate artillery firing tables. Next. IAS machine, or also known as Princeton machine or MANIAC 0, was the earliest electronic computer. It was built at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey from 1946 to 1951, and the machine was one of the first computer used a stored program architecture, meaning both instructions and data were stored in the same memory. IBM 701. It is the Electronic Data Processing Machine in 1953. Also known as the Defense Calculator, during its development was IBM's first commercial scientific computer and its first series production mainframe computer. It was announced to the public on May 21, 1952, and the first unit was delivered in 1953. And it also designed and developed by Jerrier Haddad and Nathaniel Rocheteers. It was based on the IAS machine at Princeton. Was one of the first computer used to store program architecture.
Next is the second generation transistors, 1955 to 1965. Next po. Transistor, 1947. The transistor is developed by Bell Telephone Laboratories in 1947. Next po. Next po. Kenneth Olsen, 1957, he formed a company, Digital Equipment Corporation or DEC, in 1957 to manufacture a commercial machine like TXO. PDP-1 Program Data Processor finally appeared in 1961. It had 4K of 18-bit words and a cycle like USEC and cost of $120,000. 1960, first commercial transistorized computers. DEC introduced the PDP-Land. IBM released the 7090, which was the fastest in the world. 1962, first computer game and word processor. Steve Russell at MIT invents Space War computer games, the first computer game running on a DEC PDP-1. Because the PDP-1 had a typewriter interface, editors like TECO text editor and corrector were written for it. In 1964, the mouse and window concept. Douglas Engelbart demonstrate the word first mouse, nicknamed after the tail. And SRI, or Standard Research Institution, received a patent on the mouse in 1970 and licensed it to Apple for $40,000. The IBM 360 is introduced in April of 1964 and quickly became the standard institutional mainframe computer. By the mid-80s, the 360 and its descent have generated more than $100 billion in revenue for IBM. In 6600, in 1964, a new startup company, Control Data Corporation or CDC, introduced the 6600, a machine that was nearly an order of magnitude faster than mighty 7094. It was love at first sight among the number crunchers, and CDC was launched on its way to success. The secret to its speed and reason it was too much faster than 7094 was that the inside CPU was highly parallel machine.
So let's proceed. The third generation integrated circuits, 1965 to 1980. In 1958, integrated circuits, Jack Kilby at Texas Instruments and Robert Noyce at Fairchild Semiconductor independently invent the first integrated circuits, or the chip. And Jack Kilby was awarded the National Medal of Science and was inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame and received the 2000 Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the integrated circuit. Silicon ICS in 1958. The inventions of the silicon integrated circuit by Robert Noyce in 1958 allowed dozens of transistors to be put on a single chip. This packaging made it possible to build computers that were smaller, faster, and cheaper than their transistorized predecessors. The mini era began with the development of the integrated circuit in 1959 by Texas Instruments and Fairchild Semiconductor, both announced. Ivan Sutherland demonstrated a program called Sketchpad makes engineering drawing with a light pen on a TX-2 mainframe at MIT's Lincoln Labs in 1962. By 1965, an integrated circuit that cost $1,000 in 1959 now costs less than $10. System 360. IBM introduced a single product line, the System 360, based on integrated circuits that was designed for both scientific and commercial computing. The System 360 contained many innovations. A company could replace a 1401 with 360 model 30 and its 1794 with a 360 model 75. Another innovation of 360 was multi-programming, having several programs in memory at once, so that when one is waiting for input or output to complete, another could compute. 1964, Douglas Engelbart invented the computer mouse and Windows, nicknamed the mouse because the tail came out at the end. Douglas Engelbart demonstrated a word processor in 1968. Also in 1968, Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce founded a company called Intel. Xerox created its Palo Alto Research Center or Xerox PARC in 1969. Fairchild Semiconductor introduces a 256-bit RAM chip in 1970. In late 1970, Intel introduces a 1K RAM chip and a 4004 a 4-bit microprocessor. 2 years later comes the 8008 and 8-bit processor. And in 1969, ARPANET, the precursor to the internet as we know it, founded by ARPA or Advanced Research Projects Agency, and now DARPA begins. The first 4 nodes were located at UCLA, Stanford Research Institute, UC Santa Barbara, and University of UTAH. In 1970, Intel 1103 Dynamic or Computer Memory Chip, world's first commercially available dynamic RAM chip in 1024 or bytes 1 KB. Bill Gates and Paul Allen formed Trough of Data in 1971 to sell their computer traffic analysis system. Gary Kidal writes PLM, the first high-level programming language for the Intel microprocessor. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak are building and selling blue boxes in Southern California in 1971. Intel introduces the 8008, the first 8-bit microprocessor, in April of 1972. In 1971, Intel 4004 computer microprocessor, world's first microprocessor with 2,300 transistors, had the same processing power as the 3,000 cubic foot ENIAC by Fagin, Hoff, and Mazur. In 1971, the floppy disk by Alan Shugart and IBM, or nicknamed the floppy for its flexibility. In 1973 to 1976, Ethernet Robert Metcalfe at Xerox invents Ethernet computing networking so that multiple computers can talk to a new laser printer. Originally, Ethernet used a large coaxial cable run at 3 Mbit/sec. Jonathan A. Titus designed the Mark 8 and is featured in July 1974 Radio Electronics. And in January 1975, Popular Electronics features the MITS Altair 8800. It is hailed as the first personal computer. Paul Allen and Bill Gates developed basic programming language for the MITS Altair 8800. Microsoft is born. 2 years later, MS-DOS released the operating system for the original IBM PC. Intel introduces the 8080 processor, and it is the one of the first single-chip microprocessor in 1974. In 1974 and 1975, personal computers Scale B Mark 8 Altair and IBM 5100 computers are first marketed to individuals or as opposed to corporations. They are followed by the Apple I, 2, TRS-80 and Commodore PET computers by 1977.
Next is Apple I by 1976, original IBM personal computer. The Apple I 1976 was Apple's first computer, designed by Steve Wozniak and sold as bare circuit board. Users had to provide their own case, keyboard, and display. The IBM personal computer, also known as the IBM PC Model 5750, set the standard for modern PCs with its open architecture, Intel 8088 processor, and MS-DOS operating system. Next. Apple I and TRS-80 and Commodore PET computers in 1976 to 1977. First consumer computer sold in USA. The Apple I was a bare circuit board computer. The Apple II in 1977 introduced color graphics and expandability. The TRS-80 was an affordable all-in-one PC. The Commodore PET featured an integrated keyboard, monitor, and cassette drive. Next. So this is the growth of the ARPANET. Apple is selling its Apple II for $1,195, including 16K of RAM but no monitor by 1977. Software Arts develops the first spreadsheet program. VisiCalc by the spring of 1976, 500 copies per month are shipped in 1979 and sales increased to 12,000 per month by 1981. By 1980, Apple has captured 50% of the personal computer market. Next. By 1978, first individual productivity software by Dan Bricklin and Bob Fraxton invented VisiCalc. Spreadsheet is the killer applications for personal computers, especially for small business owners. Next. In 1979, first individual productivity software by Seymour Rubinstein and Rob Bernabe WordStar software. Word processor in one of the killer applications of personal computer, especially for also small business owners.
Next is the fourth generation very large scale integration in 1980. Next po. 1980s. By the 1980s, VLSI, a very large scale integration, had made it possible to put first 10 of thousands, then hundreds of thousands, and finally millions of transistors on a single chip. This development led to smaller and faster computers. Micro era. In 1980, Microsoft this approach by IBM to develop BASIC for its personal computer project. The IBM PC is released in August 1981. The IBM PC in 1981, the Apple Macintosh featuring a simple graphical interface using the 8 MHz 32-bit Motorola 68000 CPU and a built-in 9-inch BW screen debuts in 1984. Microsoft Windows 1 ships in November 1985. Microsoft sales for 1989 reached $1 billion. 1981 IBM PC. The IBM PC is introduced running the Microsoft Disk Operating System MS-DOS along with CP/M86. The IBM PC's open architecture made it the de facto standards platform, and it was eventually replaced by expensive clones. CPU Intel 8088 and 4.77 MHz, RAM is 16 KB to 640 KB. The price is $5,000 to $20,000. Network era. In 1974, BBN opens the first public packet switch network, Telenet, a UUCP link between the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill and Duke University established Usenet in 1979. TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol is established as the standard for ARP/ANET in 1982. In 1983, the Apple Lisa computer, the first home computer with GUI graphical user interface. In 1984, the Apple Macintosh computer. Apple introduced the first successful consumer computer with WMP user interface, window icons, mouse, and pointers, modeled after the ancestral Xerox Alto computer, Motorola 6800, and 8 MHz of 128 KB RAM, and $1,995 to $2,495. 1985, the Microsoft Windows. Microsoft begins the friendly war with Apple. 1989, the difference engine using Charles Babbage original plan and 19th century manufacturing tolerance. The London History Museum built two functioning replicas of the different engine. That's it po. Thank you po.